In today's video, I'm going to talk about the day I quit my 9-to-5 job at 27. Honestly, even thinking about it makes me so happy, right? And basically in today's video, I'm just going to break down the day where I decided I'm going to quit my job and I'm finally financially free and I'll work for myself, right? So I'm going to break it from the very beginning so you guys understand my story. Now, I was born in the UK, raised in the UK, right? I had several jobs in the UK as well. My first job was actually in Argos, where I was doing deliveries. I was, serving customers. I was doing all this crap that I was doing there, right? And I think I was getting paid about £400 or £500 a month, which was not a lot. And at the time, I was in school as well, so I was doing A levels, and did my A levels. Long story short, I got 3 U's, right, in my first year of A levels, which is basically, if you're from the US watching this, 3 U's is like a fail, basically, right? Like it was basically ungraded, essentially. So I did really bad. And that's when I decided that I'm going to retake the year, did my A levels, eventually got into university, and I got my degree, right? Now, at the time, the only reason I went to university, because I don't believe in university and I think it's a waste of time, the only reason I went to university is because my parents really wanted me to have a degree. They wanted one of their children to have a degree. No one else did. I was the last child, so I had to kind of make that happen. So I did it just for their happiness, right? But ultimately, I think university is a waste of time, and I learned absolutely nothing from university. Now, after that, I went to, within that time, I was working in World Duty Free, and I was working in a warehouse. It was night shifts. It was terrible. Hated that job more than anything, and it was very controlled. In fact, someone committed suicide at work because it was that depressing inside. And then what happened is I joined Sky, and I was doing Sky alongside university. So I was in the call center taking calls, very bad. Work politics, all that crap that came with it. And eventually I then graduated from university. Then within Sky, after like 4 years, I moved up to a media operator. And this was basically my last job before I decided I'm going to quit my job, right? Now, at the time, what I did was I was there for about a year and a half before I decided, you know what, I am so unhappy in the UK. I don't like the UK. The UK is very bad. The weather's not good. Every time I wake up, it's cold, it's raining, right? And then I'm waking up early to go into work. I remember the 7 a.m. shifts. I'd get myself up out of bed around 6 a.m., get to work for 7. And yeah, I was very miserable around those times because I hated waking up early. I hated living life on someone else's terms. And just thinking about it now just brings back those memories. But no, it's crazy how life has switched up. But no, I went into work, and it was literally one moment where I think I was on YouTube and I was watching other people in Dubai making money online, younger than me, like 19 years old, 20 years old, 21 years old. And I'm thinking, I'm 27, right? And everyone tells me that I need to be realistic. Everyone tells me that, this is the only way to make money is through a job. Everyone told me this. And I'm like, then these people that are 19, 20, 21, living in Dubai, living that laptop lifestyle where they just take the laptop wherever they want, work when they want, and live in countries like Dubai or maybe Bali or stuff like that, right? And here I am in the UK, in a country that I'm fed up of. It's not safe. And everyone else is, younger than me, living life on their own terms. And that's when I decided I took the biggest risk of my life, right? I quit my 9-to-5 job. Well, let me make that clear. I didn't actually quit my job at the time. What I did was take a sabbatical, which is basically 3 months unpaid leave, right? Because I was going to Dubai for 3 months. So I was like, I'm going to try to find a job here in Dubai. And worst case scenario, if nothing works, I'm just going to go back to the UK and have my job there ready. So I went to Dubai, tried to look for jobs. Nothing happened. I wasn't able to get any jobs. And then what happened was that eventually no jobs were taking me. I was very close with one of the jobs actually, but thank God I didn't get it. So what I did instead was focus on my online business and try and grow that. Fast forward to now, obviously now I make over 6 figures a year. But at that time when I was focusing on my online business, it started working. Like I started making a little bit of money online. It wasn't a lot, right? It was a little bit, maybe like 2 grand-ish, but it was replacing my job essentially here in Dubai. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to quit my job now. So I actually got a message from, my manager at the time, who basically asked me, look, you're coming back into work. I think it was sometime in August. Let me know what's happening, X, Y, and Z. And we can sort of welcome you back. And I literally messaged him something along the lines of, I can't even remember. I will put the message up on the screen right now. But I essentially said, look, I've secured my stay here in Dubai. I'm not coming back. And I'm basically resigning. And that feeling, guys, I cannot tell you, right? When I did that, when I basically told them I am not coming back to the UK and I quit my job, I'm resigning, it is a feeling that I can't explain, because that essentially meant now that I am free. I am literally free. No one can tell me what to do. I don't have to listen to anyone else, right? I live life on my own terms. And obviously now I make well over 6 figures a year. It still wasn't easy when I quit my job. There was still a lot more things I had to do. But essentially now I coach people and I work with them on a one-to-one basis and scale them to 10K a month using the one skill consulting business model, which has completely changed not only my life, but also some of my clients' lives as well. Just a quick one, if you guys are interested and you do want some one-to-one support where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month using the one skill consulting business model, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can actually help you. But back to the story, guys. When I quit my job, yeah, it was a feeling I can't describe, right? That day I remember my parents actually came to visit me as well in Dubai, and I was just having a conversation with my parents. I was like, should I just send this message now? Obviously everything's fine here. And my parents obviously said, yeah, like if you're secured here, everything's good, then just do it. And yeah, I sent that message and I felt so relieved. I felt like, wow, man, I've done it. Like, obviously I hadn't done it in that sense, like I haven't made it, but at least I did what I set out to do. I came to Dubai. I said, I'm going to secure my stay here, and I did, right? So when I sent that message, he didn't actually respond back, which is quite interesting. But it wasn't my manager for a long time. Like basically around the time I moved to Dubai, I had a different manager before that for like a year and a half, and then he came in around the time I was moving to Dubai anyway. So I didn't really know him that well. But yeah, he didn't reply. I remember going in the group chat with my colleagues, well, my ex-colleagues, and letting them know, yeah, I've secured my stay in Dubai. And yeah, it's crazy when I look back now, like that one decision that I took completely changed my life. And guys, even when I quit my job, it wasn't easy. Like it wasn't easy. Imagine going from that 9-to-5 mindset to now, okay, now business full time. Now I need to make money full time. I hired a mentor at the time as well who really helped me tremendously. And if you've got some help and you've got people that actually want to help you and stuff, then you have that support there. And I think that's what happened with a mentor. When I had that support, it just made everything a lot easier. So that's why I always bang on about hiring a mentor, someone that's actually going to help you, someone that's actually going to sort of be there with you and teach you exactly what you need to do. Because I know for a fact, if I did not have that mentor, I would not be in the position I am today. And guys, a lot of you guys don't understand what it's like, right, to make money online, like the difference it is from your job. You guys choose working a 9-to-5 job because it's the easier option. I know it sounds stupid, but it's true. It's literally the truth. You guys find comfort in your 9-to-5 job, even if you're not happy there, even if you don't want to be there, even if you don't want to listen to your boss, even if you don't like your boss, right? The reason why you guys do nothing about it is because you're comfortable. You're happy to stay there. Like, how can you be happy taking instructions from another man, especially as a man, right? How can you go to work and accept taking instructions from another man? You need to fix up. You need to say to yourself, you know what? I need to work harder. I want to achieve more. And I've always been under the impression that if you're not working on an online business or a side hustle or something, right, then you're selfish, because ultimately with the way the UK tax works and all of that kind of stuff, you're not going to make more than 4 or 5 grand a month, right? Which is nothing. 4 or 5 grand a month is nothing. Honestly, how much are you going to work your way up? And to get to those figures, 5 grand a month, 6 grand a month, you need to really be like, I think it takes a long time, like it takes a few years for you to actually get into that position. But ultimately, you have no freedom. You still need to ask your boss for leave. You know, you're still working for someone else. You're not working for yourself. You're still working 40 hours a week to make 6 grand or 5 grand. It's crazy to me, because for us, for entrepreneurs, for us to make 4 grand or 5 grand, we just take one action. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, for us, it's different. You lot put a time frame on how long it takes you to make certain amounts of money. For us, it's taking certain amount of action for us to make that kind of money. Like, we can make 5 grand with just sending one text message. We can make 5 grand by sending one email, right? It's literally as simple as that. And this is what entrepreneurship has taught me, that a 9-to-5 job will just never give you, right? You can't make 5 grand just from one email, because in your job, you have to just do what your boss tells you and you just get the same amount of money at the end of the month. And that's why it's a different mind frame. It's a different, you know, mindset that you need to have as well. And it's one of the best feelings ever. I can't explain to you guys the freedom I have now. I get to work where I want. I get to go to places wherever I want to go to. I can go to the beach and work. I can, you know, sometimes take a day off, which I never do, to be honest. I like to work. And I just go out for a walk sometimes here at night, just filming content. And life is completely different. Like, my life has completely changed just from that one decision, right? And this is why I urge you guys, look, I'm not saying just quit your job and just, you know, go to Dubai or wherever you want to go. My main message behind this, really, to be honest, is that you guys need to invest in yourself, right? A lot of you guys hold on to money like, oh, money's going to go, money's going to go. But you don't understand that you holding on to money, one, inflation's beating it anyway, but two, you need to spend money to make money. So hiring a mentor will basically bridge that gap between what you want to achieve and the knowledge in between that. You'll be able to achieve it just by hiring a mentor who is doing what it is that you want to do, right? People always say to me, I want to make money online, but I don't know where to start, or I want to make money online, but I don't know how to do it. And I'm like, oh, I want to do it, but you know, it's too difficult, or I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, it is so simple to make money online. Like, it is so easy. All you need to do is invest in yourself. And once you do that, you'll have the knowledge. Like, all you need to do is just unlock that knowledge. And once you do that, it becomes super simple. So invest in a mentor, find someone that is doing what it is that you want to do, pay them some money, and you can learn from them, and you can live the life that they're living. It's literally as simple as that. And obviously I've got my coaching program, which if you are interested, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll be happy to jump on a call and show you my business model, which is the One Skill Consulting, which completely changed my lives and also a lot of my clients' lives too. Yeah, it's one of the best business models out there because it truly gives you freedom. And yeah, I mean, I know this for myself because it's completely changed my life, right? But ultimately, you guys need to invest in yourself and find someone that's doing what it is that you're doing. Whether that's me or whether that's someone else, that's still fine as well. But don't watch this video and just like go about your day, you know? You're probably watching this video on a Monday evening or a Tuesday evening or a Wednesday evening, whatever the day is, right? Knowing you've got work tomorrow. How can you be happy with that? I remember when I was working my 9-to-5 job, bear in mind, I was working on my online business back then as well. And I was working day and night on my online business whilst I was working. During my lunch, I remember my colleague once asked me like, oh, what are you getting for lunch? And I'm like, nothing. I'm going to my car and I'm just going to pull out the laptop and I'm just going to work. And she's like, oh, but like, you know, you should take your lunch, you know, while you're working, just take a rest. And I'm like, nah, like, I don't want to, obviously I didn't tell her this, but I don't want to live my life like you. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, I want to live life on my own terms. And for me to do that, I need to work during the periods where other people are enjoying. And that's what a 9-to-5 teaches you, that, oh, you need to work hard during the 9-to-5 and after that, just take some rest. How many people do you know that work a 9-to-5 job that, oh yeah, I can't wait for the weekend, I'm going to go out drinking or partying or clubbing or I don't know what people do nowadays. But I remember hearing conversations like that and I'm thinking to myself, what are you guys celebrating? Like, I don't understand this. What are you celebrating? Because when I was working a 9-to-5 job, I used to hate my life. And you guys are celebrating? You're going to work 40 hours a week for 40, 50 years of your life so you can resign and retire with a pension which barely pays you enough anyway because inflation's gone really high by then, and you want to enjoy your life at 60, 70? Like, that's not how I want to live my life. I want to enjoy my life when I'm young, in my 30s and my 20s. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, I want to live my life young. So I could not understand these people that were just like, yeah, I'm just going to enjoy the weekend. It's like, come on, man, there's bigger things happening. You need to change your life. You need to change your circumstances. But ultimately, these people didn't care about that. And I look back now, these people are still in the same position. And obviously, I've now grown to the position I am today, which is crazy. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this video to show you like how different life can be. I look back now at the day I quit my job, man. It's crazy how I just sent that message and everything's changed. But I just want to let you guys know you can do the same. All it takes is a little bit of bravery, a little bit of risk in life. Take some action. Guys, it's the biggest way to make money. Take action. Learn from people that are doing what it is that you want to do, and you will get there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know the full breakdown of the business model that I just mentioned, click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.